Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here at this Chick-fil-A parking lot up in Charlotte, North Carolina at a car show. It's not a certain type of car show, it's just an everything. So that means supercars could show up, old cars could show up, hypercars could show up, anything could show up. So we're gonna go ahead and start right through here, and we're gonna make our way through the whole thing.
Yeah.
I think we got an M3 over there. There goes an M4. No, it wasn't an M3, it was an M4. We got two Z06s right here. Ultimate duos be like. That was the red one. Here's the blue one. And over here we got a McLaren. What kind of McLaren is it? Looks like a GT McLaren, don't it?
Yeah. It's all right there. No, it's all right there.
Then you get something like this thing next to you.
Oh, you can't.
You find them out.
Yeah, you can't even touch it. They won't let you work on it.
Well, they don't
You'll get in
want
trouble, yeah.
you getting some pictures?
Mm-hmm.
He puts them on YouTube.
You the father?
Yeah. He's got a whole YouTube channel. He puts them on.
Get your picture
Sort of.
while you're here.
I'm getting
Knock this thing out.
pretty nice.
Posted it up. like, hey, like looking for trades for old cars and stuff like that. He'd be trading this guy, this is me. And I'm up in Minneapolis.
This thing is a 61-pound diesel engine.
Yeah.
They were like, I've never seen one.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's some of them out.
Yeah, that's kind of what
Oh, that wasn't even when I was taking pictures. And both on that. Got it. There's so many people here. It's hard to record with so many people. Oh.
What else do we see? You go down the hill road.
Showed everything down this row. It's hard to record. There's like so many people. Look over there. In the back.
Actually, it's also got a lot. Yeah, definitely. To me, that's worth $500 right there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
We saw this one pulling in, didn't we? This red one right here.
No, I think it was that Chevelle over we saw pulling in.
Oh yeah. We saw another pretty cool one pulling in. It's actually that Lambo over there. There's a Corvette pulling in.
Cover it up, or do something to protect it, and you just watch it slowly just strap into nothing, and it's just heartbreaking.
You guys There's too many people around it. There's one of those MGs. Are these rare to see?
I had a pretty cool car, A100. Had it for 1,000 miles. I had it for like 5 years later. But just like this, you can actually work on it. You can work on it and
The black one?
and all those things.
Where you from? Green? Okay, all right. How was it? Every weekend.
What in the world? This looks like the one from Fast and Furious, except the one in Fast and Furious is an SRT. Look at it, pretty. Oh. Wow. We actually saw this one pull in. Lamborghini. Some of those Huracans. What was that noise? What was that? A tiny yellow thing. Got an M3. It seems to be about all the cars here.
Are you done?
Well, that's going to be all for today's video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.